This washing machine motor, the output shaft here is chewed up pretty bad. You can see this ovalized piece here just is completely worn out. So what I'm going to try and do is beef this up with some weld. I don't have time to run and go find a used motor and swap it out and stuff and dink around with that, but I do have an hour here this morning. I'm going to try and beef this up with a little bit of weld and just tack on some weld all around here and then file it down to mate to the surface. And it might be a cobbled up mess, but if I can get this thing just to hold out for another few weeks or a month, then I come across another wash machine. So that's what I'm going to try and do. Try and beef that up, file it down. We'll see if it works. I put this tape on here so that none of my welding splatter ends up burning this copper coating off of these wires here. I don't want to trash this motor. So we're going to give it a try. Okay, so I squared off the shaft and I used an angle grinder and leveled it all out. Got it mated pretty well, and then I went ahead and did a little bit of overkill, and I just kind of tacked a few beads in between this metal ring and the inside armature shaft so that it's just got a little bit more adhesion. It kind of got real hot and melted some of this plastic, but it's kind of made on there now, so it's like a one size fits all, but it looks like it might line up. Oh, and you see those little divots down in the middle of here? Yeah, that's some paper clips that I cut off and shoved in there to kind of fill the gap. Kind of ghetto, but you can see how this aluminum foil did its job at kind of masking some of the slack beads of solder. So we'll peel this off. I'm gonna go in there and plug it back in and see if it holds out. But I don't need it to last forever. Like I said, I just need it to last for a few weeks or a month until I can get another wash machine. But at least this will allow us to wash our clothes in the meanwhile. And I bet it'll hold out. It might be just a hair off. Seems to be working. A little bit wobbly, but so far so good. Clothes came out dry, relatively damp. So I think we're back in business.